Have you ever wondered why you just can't seem to get past a paycheck to paycheck lifestyle? Are you struggling to repay debt and save at the same time? Or are you doing well, but you know you could do better? No matter where you fall on the financial spectrum, you can accelerate your financial goals without earning more or spending less. All you need is a better way to bank and borrow. Truth in Equity is the nation's leader in equity optimization, the financial strategy that credits up to 100% of your income against debt. Your paycheck can save you interest or repay debt 24/7. Paying off a mortgage in 5 to 7 years sounds crazy, but it's true. You can see real client testimonials on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/truth and equity or visit truthandequity.com. Your financial picture can transcend into the fourth dimension when you learn this very easy to manage banking strategy. You owe it to yourself and your financial future to learn how to bank like a banker and get more out of what you own and what you earn. The truth is in the proof. Visit truthandequity.com.